The topic here is applications of the integral. So let's do this example. A manufacturer has found that marginal cost is C prime of x equal 3x squared minus 60x plus $400 per unit when x units have been produced. The total cost of producing the first 2 units is $900. So find the total cost function. So first we need to know the definition. The definition says integral of the marginal cost is equal cost plus some constant. Well, let's use k so we don't confuse it with the c. So let's write it down. So we're looking for the total cost function. The total cost function by definition is the integral of the marginal cost, which means c of x is, c prime is 3x squared minus 60x plus 400 dx. So we're just going to find the integral. So this will be 3. Remember, the integral of x squared is, integral of xn dx is xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus some constant. So 3x, so 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3 minus the constant, we don't do anything to it, and then x. The exponent is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 plus. And the integral of a constant is always going to be constant times x plus some c. So the integral of constant is 400 times x plus some constant. We're going to use k instead of a c. Now I'm going to simplify 3 with the 3. So c of x is equal x cubed minus 60 divided by 2 is 30, 30x squared plus 400x plus some constants. Now I need to find this constant. And how do I find the constant? I'm going to use the fact that if x is 2 units, then c is $900. In other words, c of 2 is equal 900. But what is c of 2? Is 2 cubed minus 30 times 2 squared plus 400 times 2 plus k. Now, pretty easy. K will be what? Will be 900 minus. Yeah, if I add these numbers, I'm going to get 688. So k will be 900 minus 688. So k is equal 900 minus 688. It will be 212. So let's write it down here. Now we know that the cost function is x cubed minus 30x squared plus 400x, and the constant is 12, so plus 212. Now for question B, we need to find the total cost of producing 5 units. So that's pretty easy. All we need to do is find c of 5. So just plug it in. So 5 cubed minus 35 squared plus 405 plus 212. So the cost of 5 units will be, let's use the calculator. 5 cubed is 125 minus 30 times 25 is 750. 400 times 5 is 20, and then 2 zeros plus 212. So c of 5 is equal, if you use a calculator, that would be 1587, and that should be in dollars. And that's it for this example.